Today we're doing a blindfold slime challenge. I have a shirt for you too, so you don't get it all over your nice clothes. So
never done this before.
Yes.
Which I always wanted to do it, but you know, you never have supplies. I have no one to do it with because you know, parents never want to do stuff with you. Never mind.
Forgive my awful clothes, please. I put them on so I wouldn't get slime on my nice clothes. So, yeah.
But my name's Brooklyn.
I'm Hope. Yes, this is both our channel. So, we are going to be getting this stuff and putting it over so that we can't feel what we're grabbing. And then when we touch it, let's say this is here, and then the person that's not blindfolded would grab it for you and give it to you. And then you squirt it blindfolded in here, like so it could get all over the floor, which is why we have this mat. So I got her a paint shirt, so I'll be right back with it.
And best thing of all, you have to stir it with your hands. What? Do I do that now? No, not yet.
Okay, there you go. That's your decoration.
Do I go under it?
Yep, there it is. There you go.
This is not slime.
It's more like glue and beads.
It's more like nothing. Too many beads. Looks like the soap. Now it just feels like foamy slime, honestly. Ew, that's gross. Okay, can you see anything?
See a thing? I'm gonna just take a nap. What is she doing, guys? What is she doing back there?
Take the color. I don't know.
Oh no.
Yeah, do you?
No.
Yeah, do you should have picked a tall one. Ew. Okay, that's good.
I'm making slime with water now.
Not that. Let me put it. Put it in. It's gonna make it mold. You didn't even get it in.
Oh. Okay. This is gonna be awful. There's a crayon in it. No, I'll just be playing with water. This is my slime. It's pretty much water and beads and crayons.
Thanks for watching the video, everyone. Hope you subscribe and like our channel.
Yes.
And bye.
We are gonna make more slime now.
Bye.
Bye.
I'm gonna make a little bit of slime, okay? Oh. I don't want to touch it. It's working better than mine. Look at this. Oh. Guess we'll start mixing it. Maybe it'll hurt. You know how you set up all this stuff for us this morning?
Yeah.
What would you do?
Be sad.
It's my slime. Bear. Oh, stop. Oh! Now it's all over. It's mine.